You're looking for step lights, RGB. I'm going to show you how simple it is to install and what you get inside the box. You get a template, anchors and screws. Drill your holes, place your anchors in, and screw down. Test the unit by covering, turning on, and hanging. Simply turn the unit on by pressing the mode button. Let it cycle through its LED RGB colors of the first mode: green, blue, yellow, purple, turquoise, back to red. Pressing the button once stays solid red. Pressing again cycles through all the RGB colors: green, blue, yellow, purple, turquoise, back to the cycled colors in flashing mode slowly, and choose the color you like. Now that we've gone over the steps in the solar step light, where you leave off and turn off is where the unit's going to turn back on and continue. We're going to go set these up on the steps and show you what it looks like in evening hours and demonstrate what they are about. Placements for concrete steps without backings is simply placed down and on. As the stair lights are lit, you have green and red. If you want to take the light and change it to blue, yellow, purple, turquoise, or breathing, you have the option to change each of the lights. On one of the stairs, we have the lights going through the 7 color modes, and we have on another stairs just the blue. As you time them to go on equally, they will light up and show different colors. You can have them individually lit up and change colors. Choose the color you are looking for: multicolor, purple, blue, yellow. These are the colors of the lights lighting up the stairs, as you can see. Place them on your back stairs, RGB, different colors. Place them by steps so you know where to go up to 12 hours of run time and up to 8 hours of charge time. So if you're looking for the stair lights, these may be something that you are after.